Even though detox recipes and diets are frequently discussed, only some people are aware of how they benefit our health. We need to know how to naturally cleanse the liver and kidneys because the process of cleansing is long and complicated. When we consume industrially produced and processed meals, our bodies produce too many toxins. Bad products can make you gain fat and also cause inflammation and problems with your liver and digestive system. The method through which the human body gets rid of these toxins is highly developed. It affects the digestive system, skin, lungs, liver, and kidneys. But because of the way we live now, this function doesn't always work as well as it should. So, juices with powerful ingredients must be used to boost this natural power and get rid of things that aren't needed. We'll show you how to make a potent papaya and carrot detox drink in today's video. It can strengthen your liver, which is in charge of removing harmful toxins from the body. But what makes these two elements so unique? Because papaya contains significant amounts of soluble fiber, which helps with the creation and removal of stools, it is well recognized for stimulating the gut. Papaya also has papain, an enzyme that helps the body break down tough foods like red meat. Papaya contains a number of natural antioxidants that help the liver get rid of toxins. Carrots are a great source of minerals, vitamins A, B, C, and E, and powerful antioxidants that improve lung, kidney, and liver function. They also help prevent several types of cancer. Carrots also help treat constipation, stop kidney stones from forming, and clean the intestines by getting rid of waste and making sure nutrients are absorbed properly. When eaten fresh, carrots give us the digestive enzymes we need to keep our guts healthy. Let's look at how to make this detox juice, now that you are aware of how papaya and carrots can cleanse and detoxify your digestive system. Obtain the following ingredients: 14 ounces of carrots, 21 ounces of papaya, 24 ounces of drinking water. Instructions. Cut the papaya and carrots into fragments. Process the papaya, carrot, and a portion of the water in a blender. Turn off the mixer after the mixture is smooth, then stir in the remaining water. Blend it once more and it's done. Don't use any sweeteners or sugar. Store the juice in the refrigerator. Consume little amounts of your papaya and carrot detox drink throughout the day. Consume this drink up to a couple days, but non-consecutively. Every week, perform this cleanse. Your digestive system will quickly start to feel better. Do you like the video? Give the video a thumbs up and share it with your friends if you enjoy it. Subscribe if you want to see more recipes and advice.